Let's now talk about hashing. So in hashing, the objective is not to maintain confidentiality, rather to maintain what is called as the integrity. Meaning, hashing provides a way to make sure or to verify that the files or the data was not tampered with or was not modified. Through the use of hashing, we generate a hash and we verify the integrity. So first we have an input data. The input data can be anything you want. It can be a document. It can be maybe an email message. It can be anything you want. It can be anything, any file. It can be just maybe a message. So basically an input data is supplied, and then using hashing functions. Hashing functions are basically miscellaneous. We have MD5, we have SHA1, we have SHA256. Every single one of these hashing functions has its own use. So through the application of a hashing function, we move on to hash computation. We can now compute the hash of the file in question. Next, after the hash is computed, we generate a fixed size output. We call it the digest. Or you can call it the hash, it's the same. So the digest is the output after the hash computation is applied. Usually it's fixed size, okay? So when using MD5, we generate a fixed size. Same for SHA1 and SHA256. Every single one of these hashing functions generate a fixed size output. Now, unpredictability. Unpredictability means that the hash output is different every time you generate it. Okay, it's not going to be the same. So if, for example, you have two documents. One document contains the letter M and the other document contains the letter T. You see, it's actually a trivial difference between them. Or maybe one of them contains MM and the other one contains maybe TM. So the difference here is only one letter. That difference, or that slight difference, will create a different hash. It's irreversible. You cannot go back from the hash to the input. It doesn't work like this. It only happens one way. It's a one-way mechanism. Sensitive to change. Every change you introduce into the input data, even a slight change, will create a different output. Okay. Now, sometimes it happened with MD5 and SHA1. They found what's called as a collusion attack. Okay, let's explain what's a hash collusion. A hash collusion is when two different inputs generate the same output.